social distancing because I think my wife Minnie has a cough. She just kidding. I don't want harm on my wife.
Had you married and so
You had me married?
So no, I was your pastor for the marriage. So that was pretty good, huh? By the way, I am negative for my COVID test, and by the way,
Slane! Your voice cracked real hard.
Yeah, I know, that's the point.
Okay, well, why aren't you telling me about your little son or something?
Yes, it's my son. I adopted him. His name's Blue Bandit, and
Hi, Daddy!
Ew! What the frick is that? My eyes! Oh, I think I have to burn them off.
Hey, Malone.
What?
Oh, freak!
Malone,
Oh, my eyes are burning.
Jeffy's not even here, you dum-dum.
Yeah, but like...
He's visiting my wife. I mean, he's with Mama.
What?
Why were you eating the grass? Are you dumb?
I'm not...
Get out of here! You're so ugly! Oh my gosh!
You're the meanest person ever!
Hey,
so
Blue
ugly.
Bandit. Hey,
So
son!
ugly.
Son!
What?
Grab that right there.
Okay.
Grab it.
Okay.
Now go smack Malone with it.
Hold on.
You shall not pass!
Here, you know
With
what?
what?
Just
I love this mountain.
Oh, yeah?
Hey.
Well, I have a song for you, Blue Bandit.
Yeah?
Hey, nobody loves you. Nobody loves you. Oh, nobody loves you. Oh, how nobody loves you. And nobody loves you, Blue Bandit. You know what? I think I might call Officer Puda. He's my homie. Yeah,
I'm
it's called
gonna
Officer
bang
Puda. He's
this
my homie.
hammer with the floor.
Hey, 911.
What's your emergency?
Can Officer Puda come to my house? I want my homie to come to my house. We want to have a play date. Yeah? Okay. Send him right over. Thank you. Oh, wait. Hey, Blue Bandit, you want to call my uncle?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Hey, here.
It's Hot Head.
Hey, hey, can you come over right now? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Bye.
Ding dong!
Who's that? Come in.
Who's that?
Hey, someone called the police.
Yeah, it's Officer Puda. It's my homie. Except I can't get too close to you because my daddy said I have to freaking shout
Ding dong.
It's
Come
probably
in.
my uncle.
Hi. Yeah.
Hey, somebody called fire department.
Yeah, me.
You're covering my shot, Fatso.
Sorry, I don't know where to go.
Hey, Hothead, I have the social distance, so get your fat... Hey, Hothead, I have the social distance and keep your fat face away from me. My daddy says so.
Okay.
Yay! I get away from my stupid uncle.
I have to social
Hey,
distance
don't you
too.
have a real?
Officer Puda.
Hey, don't you have a real That's place to be? good. Hey, That's hothead, really good. hothead. I'm just getting a call. There's a fire down. Yeah, in a building. It's on fire.
Well, Officer
He
Puda,
called me,
what happened to
so-
your voice?
What?
There we go. Oh, my homie.
I love this hammer.
Boomer.
What are you even doing? Oh, hey,
Nothing
Officer
else.
Puda, you want to hear a song I sing? I have for Blue Bandit.
All right. Wow.
Yeah.
I gotta go to the
No.
fire.
Nobody loves
Bye.
you. Oh, nobody loves you. Oh, nobody loves you. Oh, nobody loves you, Blue Bandit.
Yay!
That's a pretty good
Clap, 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 clap.
Okay.
Hey,
oh, crap, my daddy's coming home. Lee, let's go. I don't want...
Okay.
Ah! Hey, Blue Bandit, I have to hide, okay? You
Okay.
cover for me. So you're gonna stay right here, and I'm gonna go hide, okay? Bye.
Okay, bye.
Ooh, Oh, look at that. There's a trash can. Oh crap, they're here. I'm gonna hide in the hamper. Jump.
Hey, Blue Bandit!
Jeffy! Hey,
Blue Bandit, where's Jeffy? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking ugly.
Malone, stop being a jerk to my son.
You're stopping your freaking Karen.
I'm not being a Karen.
I don't
Oh,
know
you're
where
just
it
a
is,
liberal.
but I bet you ran to the park or something.
I don't believe you. You're such a liar. You're too ugly to tell the truth.
Hey, he's always told the truth to me. So maybe he just doesn't like you because he continuously call him ugly and like are extremely not kind to your niece.
You see this poop on my hand? You see this poop on my hand?
Seriously.
What?
I'm flicking at you.
You're disgusting. You're disgusting. Hey.
Hey,
Hey,
poop
Bandit,
head.
son.
What?
Come here. Not you, man. Go away.
Hey, I'm just your brother.
Hey, where is he?
Ew, what is that thing?
Where is he?
Oh my eyes.
Where is he?
Where's Jeffy?
He's not gonna tell you, Boomer. Plug your ears.
Yeah, plug your and nah. Thank you, my Bob.
Okay. Well, little while, let's go check.
The laundry hamper.
Yeah. You're smart.
Boomer.
You're smart boy.
Yeah, see, I know what it does.
Let's go.
Okay.
Jeffy, you're in there?
Hey, Daddy, I definitely didn't call the police. What?